All right, so in today's session, we're going to get started with decisioning. Decisioning is really the meat of the web experience, and we're going to connect a decision model to it. And this can get very, very in-depth and very complicated. There's lots of things to go through, and it's going to span over several sessions. I'm not sure how many yet. But before we get started, I just want to go over what we're actually doing here. So what we're doing is, let's say someone checks out this iPhone 9, brings it to the shopping cart, and then clears their cart. What we want to do, well, the scenario I was thinking of is, well, this is our inventory. This is the API that I'm calling and getting all these products from. So this will be our inventory in quotations. And I was thinking if they had an iPhone 9 in their cart, for example, I would look at, we have this brand and category properties of, and I would suggest another product, which is the same brand and the same category. Okay, so in this case, it would be iPhone X, for example. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, let's just take note of what we're actually getting from. I just did a clear cart experience just a few seconds ago at the beginning of this video. So let's just go and see. Let's grab my ID again. Okay, this is me. Okay, and we have a clear cart event. Let's take a look at the extension data. And the only thing we have in the extension data is an item ID. So we need to capture these two properties, the brand and the category, when we're setting. So we're going to have to update our clear cart event. So let's go to the React code. And it is down here, clear cart, and we're passing the ID, and the key is a param. And then let's just pass in cart.brand and cart.category. Okay, and we will need to add that. Item underscore brand. It's going to be the string. And we're going to want to keep this ID here. No, not string. We're going to want to keep this ID here because we want to make sure we're not suggesting the same product. So the ID is going to be very necessary. And item dot category is category. Okay. All right, and let's go ahead and test it out. We're going to do the Samsung Universe 9. Clear the cart. Okay, this is our event, and here we have now the item brand, we have the item category, and we have the ID. All right, so we can now go into the decision model. We are going to want to create a template for the decision template. And let's call it suggest related product. Is that the same as my web experience name? Anyways, let's roll with it. No, I'm in not decision template. I want to be into. Is this wrong? Web templates, JS. That's going to come later. I think I want to do. Add decision model. Okay, I need to create one from here. Yes, this is how I get the canvas. Okay, so it would be under here, this decisioning tab. Curious what that is. We'll explore that later. Let's create a decision model. Suggest related product. From inventory. And we're going to add a variant. Okay, so you can be, once I move this variant into production, well, I'll go through this later, but you can be continuously updating and adding the variant while you're using it, which is why there's all these different stages in here. We're just going to stay in the draft state for now. And I'm just going to go into session data. We're just going to use the session data of this guest. And we are going to connect a programmable to it. I just want to show you what we're dealing with here. And so this canvas is made to be very user-friendly for the business users. They can drag and drop stuff. Us as the developer, we will be building out the individual blocks for them to create the logic they want for the decision model. So just like this, very intuitive, we can connect the session data to the programmable. And this is where our code is going to lie. And I just want to show you what is going to be inside here. So let's just search. This is going to be me. And you can see here that we have a session, and then we have the events, and then we have the clear card event. And in the extension data, we have the Samsung, the brand, and the category. So in our next session, we are going to start building out the decision model bit by bit. And yes, thank you.